Hello everyone. Today's topic is reverse engineering. Reverse engineering is the the process followed in the order to find difficult, unknown, and hidden information about a software system. Software reverse engineering is the process of recovering the design and the requirement specification of a product from an analysis of its code. The purpose of reverse engineering is to facilitate maintenance work by improving the understandability of a system and to produce the necessary documents for a legacy system. What is the then scope and task? The, the areas, hello, the scope and task. The areas where reverse engineering is applicable includes but not limited. So the scope and task, the areas where their reverse engineering is applicable include but not limited to. First is program compression, redocumentation or document generation, recovery of design approach and design details at any level of abstraction, identifying reusable components, identifying components that need restructuring, recovering business rules, and understanding high-level system description. Reverse engineering tasks. Reverse engineering encompasses a wide array of tasks related to understanding and modifying software system. This array of tasks can be broken into a number of classes. Then first is mapping between application and program domain. Then this is problem application domain, and this is a programming implementation domain. Then we can mapping between these two areas. Second is mapping between concrete and abstract levels, rediscovering high-level structures, finding missing link between program syntax and semantics, and to extract reusable component. Level of reverse engineering. Reverse engineers detect low-level implementation constructs and replace them with their high-level counterparts. The process eventually results in an incremental formation of an overall architecture of the program. This is a structure of level of abstraction, high levels, specifications, lifecycle phase, recommendation, redocumentation, and this is a specification recovery, design part, design recovery, implementation, say low level, intermediary. This is a reverse engineering structures. Redocumentation. The redocumentation is the recreation of a semantically equivalent representation within the same relative abstract variables. And design recovery entails identifying an existing meaningful higher. Design recovery entails identifying an existing, extracting meaningful high-level abstractions beyond those obtained directly from examination of the source code. This may be achieved from a combination of code, existing design documentation, personal experience, and knowledge of the problem and application domain. Advantage of reverse engineering. It concentrates on recovering the lost information from the programs. It provides the abstract information from the detailed source code implementation. It improves system documentation that is either incomplete or out of date. It detects the adverse effects of modification in the software